What if moons collides with Earth? Let's imagine this. After billions of years of long-distance relationship, Earth and the moon decide they've had enough of orbiting each other. One fine, or not-so-fine day, the moon slowly drifts closer, muttering, "I'm tired of space long-distance, Earth." And Earth, covered in oceans, continents, and Wi-Fi signals, nervously replies, maybe we should take some space?" But no, our clingy satellite has made up its mind. It's coming in for the most dramatic reunion in cosmic history. As the moon gets closer, the first thing we'd notice isn't crashing rocks, it's chaos on Earth's oceans. The tides would go wild. We're talking monster waves that could turn coastlines into swimming pools for whales and dolphins. Entire cities might experience daily tsunamis. Surfers would be thrilled for about 5 minutes, then deeply regret it. The moon's gravity would start yanking Earth's crust too. Volcanoes would wake up from million-year naps. Earthquakes would start doing the cha-cha, and Earth would start to wobble like a dizzy top. As the moon draws nearer, it would look huge in the sky, so big it would make the sun jealous. People, if any, would be watching the sky. The moon would fill half the horizon. You could practically count the craters with the naked eye. Then, gravity would start tearing the moon apart. Earth's tidal forces would rip chunks off it, creating a beautiful but terrifying ring around our planet, kind of like Saturn, but made of rock and regret. Astronomers might call it the oops belt. Eventually, the moon would stop playing hard to get and finally collide. And let's be clear, this would not be a gentle bump. The impact would release enough energy to melt Earth's crust, vaporize oceans, and send molten debris flying into space. The night sky would turn into one giant fireball. It would be like the ultimate reset button for the planet. Mountains, gone. Oceans, boiling. Humanity, toasted marshmallows. On the bright side, for a brief few hours, the view from Mars would be spectacular. Martians, if they exist, would gather popcorn and say, "Told you those two would never work out." After all that drama, the moon and Earth would merge into a single larger planet. Let's call it Moon Earth, or maybe Mirth. It would take thousands of years to cool down, and when it finally settled, it might even get a new moon, because apparently we can't stay single forever. Life as we know it would be gone, but maybe millions of years later, something new would crawl out of the cooled lava and look up at the sky, wondering, where did the moon go? So, in short, if Earth and the moon collide, it'll be the ultimate breakup explosion. A cosmic love story that ends not with a bang, but with the biggest bang ever.